Everything about this nighttime routine, even putting it together to record and everything, has just been thrown together and just trying to put it together, but I'm going to get into it anyways. So I have young children, right? So my nighttime routine fluctuates. I have a few days out of the week where I have to adjust it so I can get everything that I need done while I'm doing my nighttime routine. So this routine is for my face mask night. So with my face mask night, I like to start off by washing my face with my liquid Castile soap or my salicylic acid Neutrogena face wash or the turmeric face wash, right? So whichever one I have on hand, that's what I will use. My preference is to do it while I'm in the shower. However, since it's a face mask night, I have to do it outside of the shower. The next thing I want to go in with is to floss my teeth, right? I would floss my teeth. Some people floss them teeth after, but I don't, because once I put on my face mask, my face kind of gets stiff and I don't want to have to like floss and take my pills and everything while I'm waiting for my face mask to do what it does. So I like to floss my teeth first. And honestly, I'm recently, like not recent, probably a few years now, I'm making flossing my teeth. I made flossing my teeth a part of every routine. Morning, night, evening, I always a floss, because I know because I'm now suffering the consequences of not flossing in my younger days. So flossing is something that I stand by. After flossing, I like to go ahead and take my probiotics. Once I take my probiotic, I like to have it simmering up, take my probiotic, drink water. I do my probiotic like every other day. I don't do it every day, but it's something I take every other day, for help with the lady parts and just good health overall. Once I take my probiotics, I go in with my mask. Make sure I capture all of my face and my neck with my mask. And this is an exfoliating mask from Neutrogena. I like this mask from the first time I use it. However, I can't find it anywhere else again. I don't know if them discontinue it, but it's not something that I can find just readily available anymore. I'm not sure if they have an updated version or what it is, but today is my Neutrogena mask. On the other days, I like to go in with my turmeric mask or something homemade, but I have my days when I use this as well, because my nighttime routine is a mix, because my nighttime routine is literally a mix of what works for me. While I'm allowing my face mask to simmer and do what it does, do it work, I like to go ahead and go through whatever chores or things that I have left around the house. I do it during that time while I wait for the face mask to do what it does. I like to go, like today I had laundry, I didn't get to finish folding, so I was like, you know what, I'm going to fold up my laundry tonight, because I don't want to have to wake up tomorrow and see this laundry here and have to fold it. I like to start my day light, not with a lot of mess, not with everything going on. So it was ideal for me to go ahead and fold this laundry from tonight. And yes, I woke up the next morning feeling great that I didn't have to do that. So I just sat here and recorded a whole shebang of me putting on my night cream from Jamaican-American, putting this on. Please, I know people are gonna record this, put it on my face, and it done some. It's not like I can rinse it off, do it over again, because it don't not come out of it. So it, like whatever. But I'm not recording this over. I'm not recording this over. It is what it is. So I'll just wait for my face to dry and put on my gel mask. Yeah. So it is the beginning of February. I do have some products like the Neutrogena thing that I just used. I bought that. You know how some people buy a bunch of skincare? I don't know what I'm doing to them, because guess what? Those things expire, and then so much, like that Neutrogena thing, we use it almost every other night. And I bought that last year, the fall of last year, and it just done. So that means it's some of those skincare when enough people buy, enough I want to buy. It's always some money. It's always some money, because when I use the overheads and it just really sit down and expire. So now that that finished, I don't know if I'm going to buy the same thing or I'm going to try something new. And I think that's what I'll do. I'll try something new, because one thing I'll keep is the salicylic acid face mask that I put on. That one go on with itself, and it always does. So I'll keep that. But for my nighttime, it's really for stubborn marks. So I'm trying to see if I'm missing an improvement in my marks on my face, and I feel like the mask does a better job of kind of lightening those stubborn marks. So I might try something different. And then, I also have to go through some of my products in the bathroom sink, but throw some of them there as well. But yeah, it's February. I'm in high spirits-ish. Kinda, sorta. Like, if I can do an inventory of my high spirits from last year, it's way better this year. Like, it's higher this year. So that is good. That's a good look. And I think that's good. Alright, let's put on the chapstick. Yes, I put on my nighttime chapstick. Like if you're not putting on chapstick in the night, I don't know what to tell you. Okay, my chapstick almost done. And is there a specific chapstick? No, it's just the chapsticks that I used to make for my business when I used to sell skincare. So I still make them for myself now because it did good and I did like it for my lips. So I make the same chapsticks and I make them for myself and really myself and my family. And I still use them. And I use them, and then what I'll do after, if I could find it, I can't find it, and I went to Walmart today and I didn't get a small one, but I really put the chapstick on and then top it off with Vaseline in the night. And yes, normally I'm a bit, but it for some reason let them really wake up and let them dry and carry. But one thing about me, my lip them for some reason, my lip them just always around themselves. Like look on them. Look at this. My lips are lipsing. So yeah, I'll have to get my Vaseline to do that. I'm not lotion up my body either tonight. And I'm ready to drink. Brush my teeth already. So that's it. And I take this off. This is also something that I work out in. Let me take this off. Watch here. Look. Actually, move the body. Look at here. Look my girly here. Yo, I'm in such a scene where I don't know, something about me here. Like the first time I did have locks, I didn't like it, but I feel like that set of locks was a reflection of how I felt during that time and everything that I went through. This time around, I'm more like prideful. Like, I just love it. I'm just looking at my hair. Comb out what? My love, well, I like this. The only thing I like for the side part, because I did say I wanted a center part. Like, I really did want a center part. Can I see the part? Yeah, but maybe want to send about. I'm gonna have to retwist it soon. This one is this. You wanna know something? Mama tell you how life is so friggin' funny. Marica, this the first time. Oh, Marica, it the camera wasn't recording, and because of that, Marica, I remember Marica good enough. Papa talk, and nothing happened. Like the camera wasn't recording. I didn't notice until after. That's after I put on my face stuff. So I was like, all right, I gotta turn on the camera. I gotta do it again, record again, and that mic had it off, but the camera mic did on, so the sound is probably a bit choppy. But it's just like, what's a thingy? Look how many are good up record and think me I do my thing and the mic is off. But it was good practice. You know, you have to take serious thing like joke. It was good practice and I enjoyed it. And this is why this is work. This is work because that's what like what 3, 4 takes. I know it just like one with itself. Anywho, thanks for watching. Until next month.